Welcome to my channel. Can't access 192.168.2.50? Router Login Fix Guide. Step 1. Check the router IP address. Before trying to log in, make sure 192.168.2.50 is actually your router's IP address. Some routers use 192.168.0.1, 192.168.1.1, or another address. You can find the correct IP using your device's network settings or the command prompt. Step 2. Connect to the correct network. Ensure your computer or phone is connected to the router's Wi-Fi or with an Ethernet cable. If you're using mobile data or another Wi-Fi network, the router login page won't load. Step 3. Enter the address correctly. Type http://192.168.2.50 directly into your browser's address bar. Don't enter it into a search engine, and avoid adding extra characters or spaces. Step 4. Restart your router. A simple restart can solve temporary connection issues. Turn the router off, wait about 30 seconds, then power it back on. After the lights become stable, try accessing the login page again. Step 5. Clear your browser cache. An outdated browser cache may prevent the router page from loading. Clear your browser's cache and cookies or open the login page in incognito/private mode. Step 6. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're connected to a VPN or using proxy settings, disconnect them temporarily. These services can interfere with access to your router's local IP address. Step 7. Try a different browser or device. If the page still won't open, switch to another web browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. You can also try logging in from another computer or smartphone. Step 8. Check your computer's IP settings. Make sure your device is set to obtain an IP address automatically, DHCP. Incorrect network settings can stop your device from communicating with the router. Step 9. Use the correct login credentials. If the login page appears but you can't sign in, double-check your username and password. If you've changed them before, use the updated credentials instead of the default ones. Step 10. Reset the router if necessary. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds to restore factory settings. Then log in using the default credentials. Keep in mind that this will erase your custom Wi-Fi name, password, and other saved settings. Thank you for watching.